Hello everyone. Today's tech news is number 1. Nvidia teases RTX 40 series announcement with GeForce Beyond event. Nvidia's next-gen GPUs are close. Number 2. Rivian and Mercedes-Benz partner up for electric vans. The joint venture will create large EV vans for both automakers. Number 3. Matternet's delivery drone design has been approved by the FAA. It's the first delivery drone to win such approval. Number 4. EV startup Bollinger acquired by Mullen Automotive for $148.2 million. The B1 and B2 trucks are back in the mix as a result of the deal. Number 5. Microsoft starts testing new Xbox Home UI that will arrive in 2023. The home screen is getting much needed improvements. Number 6. New accessibility and sharing features are coming to Android devices. Number 7. Hasselblad's new $8,199 x2d 100C is utterly Hasselblad. An incredibly well-built digital medium format camera that takes stunning photos pretty damn slowly. It's not a workhorse, it's a luxury cruiser. And in the mirrorless camera megapixel race, the x2d 100C's 100 of them are only beaten by the 102 megapixels of Fujifilm's GFX 100 and 100S. Number 8. Overwatch 2's new heroes won't be free. New tweets suggest you'll have to earn them via Play or Pay. Number 9. Quest Pro video shows Meta's next VR headset a month before its launch event. A prototype of Meta's VR headset has surfaced. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more tech news.